Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the Daryeel Kitchen, delicious food made simple. In today's recipe I have for you some delicious hot sauce which is very popular in Somalia, and all we need is some green chilies, and you just want to wash them and chop the ends. You need one garlic, some fresh coriander, half an onion, and also we need some lemon juice, little bit of water just to help us blend everything. And that's it. I'm just using a blender today, and we're gonna do step one just to add all the ingredients in the blender cup, and then we're gonna add the water. The great thing about this sauce is really hot sauce is really easy to make, and you can always experiment with different. You can add a tomato if you want. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with it, but this is just a really simple way of showing you simple hot sauce. We call it Bisbas, which if you go to any Somali restaurant, you'll always find on the table. There's definitely different ways, like variations. You'll see some with coconut, shredded coconut. You'll see some with tamarind. I mean, this is the most basic one. So definitely you should try it out, and I'm sure you won't regret. If you like, you can add a little bit of salt. I haven't added salt. I just prefer the chili and the lemon and the garlic. I feel like that's already enough. And then obviously you can have this with any type of food. We tend to have it with rice, Somali rice with hot chili. It's a great I mean, it's just something out of this world. You should definitely try it. And then I've got here all blended now, and it's ready to be served. And you can see it's got such a vibrant green color. I love it. And that's it. You can keep this in the fridge for up to like a week and a half. I've kept it for longer. As long as you keep it in a nice container, it works really well, even though sometimes it doesn't last because it's just so good. And that's it, guys. If you guys have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to press the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please do subscribe, and also comment below for any of your questions, and I'll try and answer everything. Thank you again. Assalamu alaikum.